Hi, in front of me is Vivo V20 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, find clock and tap on it. Then click on alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this blue plus icon. Over here you need to set up an hour, and when you're done, just repeat. Now select days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. I will go with Wednesday and Friday. Then tap OK to save your changes and click on alarm sound. Over here you can pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. But you can also click on add new over here and pick music from your device by tapping on the song that you want to set up and going back. But I don't have any, so I will go with that one. And then click on vibrate. This way you will disable or enable vibrations. Lastly, click on label your alarm however you want to, and click OK. To save your alarm, tap at the top right corner over here, and as you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by clicking on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!